So now we are going to cover in another video user defined functions. Okay, let us cover user defined functions here. See the first example. This is a very simple program which perform addition of two number. What is the program? Addition of two number. That's it. Let us run the code and see. Okay, let me rearrange the window so that the visibility is more better. Just I rearrange the window. Okay, great. Okay, I save it, I run it. Now this is the program to add two numbers. Input first number 12, input what happened? Just a minute. Input first number. Okay, so control yes, F5. Okay, enter first number 12, 34. What I got? Sum of 12 and 34 is 46. Clear? A very simple program. Take input first number, second number. Okay, by default input is string. We convert a string into integer type by using this function int. Int is again the function here which converts string into int. Same for second number, sum equal to a plus b, and display the sum. Sum of, this is the format output, sum of a is the variable that we have declared and b is the variable is sum. Clear? Now what if I want to repeat the same program for 4 numbers? Let us run the code. Already I have used ChatGPT. Okay, I am not writing any code here, I am using ChatGPT here. So same example for 5 times without loop. Great. Alt, okay, alt, I type here control A, control V, alt F, save as. Okay, add 5 times. Okay, I run the code, enter first number 1, second number 2, sum of 1 and 1 is 2. First number 11, second number 11, sum of 11 is 22. Enters first number 22, second number 22, sum is 44. Enter first number 7, second 7, 14. Enter first number 9, second 9, sum is 18. Very simple program, don't get confused. Okay, I have repeated the same loop for first iteration, got the output, second iteration, got the output, third iteration, got the output, 4 times, 5 times. What if there are 100 students? Should I write 100 times? No. I should use loop. What I have to use? Loop in Python. So let us write the same code using loop. So don't worry, I am not writing any program here now. This is the program done by ChatGPT in 5 minutes. Alt, control A, control V, alt F, save as. Okay, add loop 5. Okay, I run the code, see the logic magic. First number 1, second number 1, 11. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2. First number 11, second 11, 22. First number 22, second 22, sum is 44. First number is 4, second 4, sum is 8. First number 5, second 5, 10. Loop got finished. So simple example for I in range 5. Enter A, enter B, sum equal to A plus B, sum is A and B. Clear? What if I write here by mistake A and B outside? What will happen? Let us see what will happen. Let us see what will happen. Okay? I have just by mistake written A and B outside the loop. I save this program as, okay, 5, okay, 1. Run the code, enter first number 11, second 11. Oh my God, what happened? Sum of 11 is 22. Sum of 11 is 22. What happened? Mistake. Whatever statement we write inside for loop get repeated. If we forget to write this statement outside for loop, only the statement inside for loop repeated. I can create the calculator. Yes, why can't I write the calculator? Congratulations. I create the calculator subtraction. Okay. Here I write multiplication. Here I write division. What should I write? Tell me, come on. What should I write here? Is A minus B correct? Here it should be A multiplied by B. Here A divided by B. Okay, Alt F, save as. Okay, 511. Run the code, see the magic, enter first number 25. First number 5. Wow, I got calculator. No, I have not got calculator. I have done the mistake. What is the mistake? See here. By mistake, I have closed double quotes. These are the mistakes in the examination. I am just telling you the mistakes. What? So here, whatever I have type here, I got the same output. See here. So, I got the output how many times? 4 times, 5 times. Okay. Can you see the mistake? So here mistake is, what should I do? Is here, comma. Again I get the mistake otherwise. Here comma should be there. Okay. Here is, comma, is, and here remove this A divided by B. That's it. Let us run the code. I hope code should run. Invalid syntax. Yes. Control yes. F5. Forgot comma, comma, comma. I forgot the comma. Here I forgot comma, comma. Great. Enter first number 25, second 5. Wow. I got the output. Sum of 25 and 5 is 30. Subtraction 20. Multiplication division. So what if I write this statement in the for loop? काय होईल सांगा मित्रांनो? Very simple. I get the loop. I just reduce the iteration only for 3 times or 2 times. Better. I run the code. Enter first number 25. First, second 5. I got sum of 25 and 5 is 30. Subtraction, multiplication, division. Great. So here this statement get execute. I got this statement. Now for I equal to 0, this loop execute. Now I is 1. Enter first number 100, second 10. Wow, congratulations. I created calculator. Range to 0, 1. Only 2 times loop repeated. Clear? Eh? So I hope this simple example is clear to you. Let us move ahead. Now I have to convert this into function. What is the magic now? I have to convert this program into function. Let us move ahead. And using function, I copy the code. I paste the code. Control A, Control V, Alt F, save as function. Example, add to number, run the code. Enter first number 25, second, oh, some mistake happened. Let me check the mistake. Let me check the mistake. What happened?